Ever wondered how process industries maintain optimal heating efficiency while ensuring operational safety? Organizations frequently struggle with managing fired heater operations, facing challenges in efficiency optimization and safety compliance. Ineffective heater operation leads to increased fuel consumption, reduced production quality, and potential safety incidents. Operators often feel uncertain about complex heater control systems and safety procedures, lacking confidence in optimization techniques. This knowledge gap creates inefficiencies and safety vulnerabilities. This course provides comprehensive tools for mastering fired heater operations. Participants learn advanced techniques for efficiency optimization, safety management, and troubleshooting. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in heater management, improving operational efficiency while ensuring safety compliance. The ability to effectively operate fired heaters becomes a critical operational competency. Individual participants become fired heater specialists, capable of optimizing performance and managing safety risks. Teams learn collaborative approaches to maintaining efficient and safe heater operations. At the organizational level, expect improved energy efficiency, enhanced safety performance, and reduced operational costs. Individual professionals emerge with specialized expertise in fired heater operations. Transform your fired heater operations today.